Hey guys, good morning! Today I am in my parents' garden and I will show you how I prune the rose bushes every spring. Hey kitty, how are you doing? This is my favorite cat actually. She is awesome. So my parents have five really old rose bushes and I will prune them today. So in the spring, as soon as you can see the new growth on the plant, you can start cutting them back. Even though the last frost date is far away from now, you can already start pruning them. It is really important to prune them in the spring so they will have really nice growth. In order to encourage flowering and have a full bush with lots of flowers, pruning is really necessary. So usually in the spring I cut back 2/3 of the full length of the stems. Even though that seems really severe, it is necessary. So always select the bud that is looking towards the outside of the bush. So after you selected the bud, you need to cut the stem 1 centimeter above the bud, and the most important thing is that you have to cut it in a 45-degree angle. This way the diseases cannot be installed that easily. If you make the cut horizontally, then you will have a surface where water can sit, and that creates the perfect condition for the diseases to be installed. So here you can see the 45-degree angle cut I just made. I'd like to mention one more thing. When it comes to the inside of the rose bush, always make sure there are no stems crossing each other. So this way even the bottom of the bush will receive enough light. Enjoy! If you have any questions regarding rose pruning or pruning any other bushes, please make sure to leave a comment below. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!